Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create your precious parcel card kit. Here's what our projects will look like when we're finished. I'm going to leave them here on the table so that you can have them for reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. Most everything is included in your kit, but you may also need some scissors. And don't forget your printed instructions. By separating and sorting your elements by project, you'll be totally set up for success. We also have a number of sentiments and different languages to choose from. For me, it's easier to create one project at a time. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Each of these projects requires 12 inches of twine, and I've got a little ruler on the side of my instructions so that I can cut those 12 inches. First, add your twine by threading it through these two holes on the front of our card and tying a bow on the front. Look at these beautiful pocket cards. Now, our projects may not look exactly the same. You may have chosen a different sentiment, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to send these cards to people I care about, and I hope you'll send yours as well. For more kits to craft with, go to StampinUp.com, click Shop Product, and then Kits to choose your next creative experience. Enjoy!